Bonjour et bienvenue sur notre chaîne YouTube, French Lessons with Renee. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, French Lessons with Renee. Master French language at your own pace with our engaging, easy-to-follow lessons designed for Anglophone learners, both old and young. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, our channel offers a variety of tutorials to help you build confidence in speaking, writing, and understanding French. Why choose French Lessons with Renee? Weekly lessons. New videos every Friday focused on essential language skills. Beginner-friendly content tailored to learners, starting from A1 level and progressing to more advanced topics. Practical French. Learn vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and cultural insights that you can use right away. Learn at your own pace. Watch and rewatch lessons to master French in a way that fits your schedule. Whether you're planning a trip to France, improving career prospects, or simply passionate about learning a new language, French Lessons with Renee is here to help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of French learners today. Please share and like this video. See you on Friday.